Today you're joining me with the E and a set of spacers from iBack. We've got 20, 25 and 30mm. Let's get them fitted and see how they look. I've got the 20mm spacers fitted now and already run into one little issue. So on the FK2 we saw very similar to this, where the 20mm spacer sits, the original stud sticks out that little bit too far. So on the FK2 we would open up a little pocket on the back of the wheel, but on the E we're not really looking to make any modification to the wheel. We want this just to be a direct fitment. So if you want to come a bit closer you can see exactly what the problem is. So the pockets on the back of the wheel there are not quite big enough for what we need to put onto the car. So that means when we put the wheel on, it won't quite sit flush against the studs that are behind it. So for us now, that tells us the 20mm are not going to work. So in summary then, we fitted the 20mm spacers and found that the original studs behind them were too long, protruding and not allowing us to bolt the wheel back on. Naturally went for 25s next, they went straight on, and from what we can see on this already, looking down the side of the car, they look like they're going to be the ones that work for us. I think 30mm, any more than this, will just sit the wheels a little bit too far out. It will start to look a bit like a 4x4, and that's really not what we're looking for. We're looking to try and improve the overall stance and just make it look fitted for the car. So if you've enjoyed today's video and you want to see more of what's to come from us and the Honda E, hit the subscribe button here, click here if you've missed any of our last videos, and thanks for watching.